Hey, it's Roland from YouCanTube. Today I'm going to show you how to make thumbnails for your videos. That's one of my favorite things to do when creating videos. And I found a really cool website where you can make thumbnails easily, and they have such a cool feature in there. I can't wait to share it with you. It's going to be fun. Now let's go in the house and I'll show you guys exactly how to easily make thumbnails using Designhill, and all you need is a free account. All right, welcome to YouCanTube, guys. What we're going to do today is make a thumbnail, and I'm going to show you this website where I make my thumbnails. It's a lot of fun, and you can be really creative in here and really make some nice thumbnails for your videos. Thumbnails are so important because that's the first thing people see when they're on YouTube. When they're searching something, they'll see the thumbnail, and then they'll see the title. So the both of them are very important, but the thumbnail has to be really appealing to the eye. And I'm not saying I'm a great thumbnail maker, but I'm getting better all the time and I really enjoy it. So here we are, we're at a website called Designhill, and it's designhill.com. You can come here and just sign up for a free account. That's all you have to do. It'll never cost you anything. Just come in here and make a free account. So down here on the left you see dashboard and notifications I don't pay attention to. Don't worry about billing because, like I said, it's a free account. So you want to come here to Studio. You click on Studio, it drops down, and you want to go to Dashboard. So right here, right away you see a banner here that says Design anything, choose from thousands of ready to use templates for your next project. So down here you can pick a category. There's all kinds of categories here, right here, for you to choose from, like Instagram posts, Instagram story. You can make a poster, make a flyer, you can make a YouTube thumbnail, Facebook covers, and I believe there's more here. Yeah, Twitter posts, all kinds of things, business cards. But we're here to make a thumbnail, so let's click on thumbnail. See, it's got the right size for your thumbnail. So this will open up, and this is your design area. This is where you do all your work right here. These are all your, let's say, tools. So this here, right away you see templates, right? These are templates that you can use, and there's all sorts of free templates to choose from. I don't use those. I make my own thumbnails over here right from scratch. That's the way I like to do it, and it's less work for me. So down here you got photos. And these are photos that you can use, that you can find for your thumbnails. Now you can type in here whatever you want. Say you're looking for pumpkins. See, it's almost Halloween. Say you're looking, you got a Halloween video, and you want pumpkins in your thumbnail. Well, there you go. All kinds of picture. So you can just go like this, click on that, and they'll show up here. Now you can expand this to any size you want, but if you start going like this, it kind of expands it. See how it expands? It keeps going up and down. That's okay. I figured out that this works just fine. And see that blue line that's right here by my cursor? You want to stretch that just on the outside of the line. I find that sometimes I made a thumbnail and that blue line showed up, so I had to come back in and fix it on all sides. So you bring that on the outside, bring that one on the outside, and I'm not sure if that dropped down here. So there you go. You have your background image. Now you can add whatever you want in there. Say you have your let's just say you're dehydrating pumpkin seeds or something like that, or you're cooking pumpkin seeds, and you got a picture of yourself by the oven, and so you can come here and upload a picture of yourself and insert it right on top of this, and then you can add other things. I'm going to show you more. You know what, this might be a 2 or 3 part series because I have a lot to show you. So say I'm tired, I don't like this picture. It's highlighted, right? I'm just gonna click on the garbage can up here and get rid of it. Down here is elements, so it's all different shapes you can use for your inside your work area here for your thumbnail. So right away it comes in gray, so you can make it any color you want right here. See this? You can make it black. You can adjust whatever color you want. Say you want to make it this color, and then see there's a dot here. You can move this around and it changes color. You can go back to, let's say, yellow or goldish color. That's what I use today on a thumbnail, gold. So you can do anything with this. You can resize this. You can make it on, you can make this like on the side. You'll see some of my thumbnails from my other channel, Getting It Done North of 7. I have a picture here, let's say, of myself for some other reason. I can move this anywhere I want, and then I can start putting my text in here like this. See down here you got your text, and you click on there. And I find I can't move this right now, so I just click down here in the black area, then I come back up, and there you got the 4 arrows. Now I can move it around. And when you want to change this wording, you just click on it, and I think if you type, no. So I'll double, see this is loading kind of thing here, so I don't know why it's doing that. So what I do is I double click, it'll light up one word. I'll delete that, and then I can go like this, backspace on my keyboard. Now I got an empty space, and I can type in something like how to make a thumbnail, like that. So now I can change the font to anything I want. I can switch it to something like this. I can make this bigger, so I can resize it. There's all kinds of font here. Look at this. It just goes on forever. All kinds of font. You can resize your font. So let's say we make it 64, and it's not moving. Sometimes I move too fast for it. There we go. How to make a thumbnail. Whoa. And so that's how you get the square in here was elements, right? You can add anything in here. You could add this cross in here. You can make that any color you want. Let's say you wanted it blue. You can resize it. You can move it around. Something like that, right? So over here, again, there's your text. So this is where you can change your font, your size. You can italicize it like that. You can pick something. Well, let's say I just want to underline. Studio has encountered a problem. Okay. I think I clicked too fast. So say I just want to underline that one word. Oh, well, maybe I can't do one word, but I underlined everything there, didn't I? You can take it back out. You can work on your spacing. I've never used these. You can make it bold. You can make the whole thing bold. Just get in here and play around. So anyways, we'll delete this stuff because I was just showing you really quick. Delete. And let's get rid of the element too. Delete. So I'm just showing you the tools on the right hand side. Icons. Now this is the cool part. This is what blows my mind. I love it. It's so fun to play with. Let's go back to photos. Let's get back to the pumpkins. Okay. Okay, let's say we chose this image here. See, I didn't even know this was in here. That's so cool. So I want to expand it. If I want to expand it to cover my whole canvas, that's good. So there, see, you got this all covered up now. Let's say, I'm just going off the top of my head. Let's go back down to icons now. Let's say we want to add some bats in there. So we can go like bats. Now you're going to say, well, you're going to put black bats on black color. No, I can change the color if I want. So I'm going to click it in there. Ooh, that's kind of cool actually. See if you can resize this, right? Say you went like this. kind of thing. But let's say I wanted to put the bats, don't want to put in the reflection. Let's say I wanted to put the bats up here. You can't see them, right? I can change them to orange. I can change them to white. I have that option. I can do anything I want with this. So you slide the little slider to orange, click there, the dot comes up, and look at that. I got orange bats. Almost said oranges. So many things you can do. What else is Halloween? Let's say zombies. I've never looked for a zombie in here before, but they have everything. Oh, there you go. We got zombies. Oh, look at this. So we could put this here like this, and we could resize it. All kinds of cool images you can get in here. Now I'm just messing around, right? You got colored zombies like this. So you could put him over here like this, let's say, just for fun. You can have one of these zombies that are all in black. Again, you can change the color to anything you want. We can do him in white. You can resize it to any size you want. Look at that, you know, just so many options. That's why I love this under icons. Let's say you're doing something. Let's say you wanted the US flag. Look at that. Look at all your options you have. Just so many things you can do. You just be creative and you can do just about anything, you know? So I'm going to get rid of all this and show you some other stuff. So right now I'm doing a video. It's a review on our dehydrator, and we're dehydrating green onions. So let's say I put green onions. Nothing, right? Okay, just onions then. Look at this. All kinds of onions. It's just funny. They have everything. Let's go motocross. There we go. So there we go. We have dirt bikes now. So, so far I've covered the templates, the photos, same thing. I think I already told you. Yeah, I'd already told you. Type anything you want in there. Icons, text. Text, you can choose from one of these. I haven't had a lot of luck with them. Like, I don't know. I'd rather just do my own thing. So you just click on text. There it is, right? And you can adjust it. You can play with it. Again, I'll show you how to get this. You can delete that now. Now you got a free canvas. You can type anything you want, like type, boop, type anything. So there you go. That was easy enough. Now uploads, another cool thing. So here you can upload images from your computer and move them over to here like this. So there you go. You can expand it. You can just get creative. And I'm going to show you what I did with this one. We're going to actually come back for part 2, and I'm going to make another thumbnail for that video I did yesterday using this image right here.